Hey, good morning to you. Worldwide West retired out getting this walk in this morning. A little bit over halfway there. Down on the beach side today. Uh, Trying to get my walk in. Hopefully you guys are having a great weekend and get your day started. Good morning. Buenos dias. Buen dia. Getting your day started. Ready for summer as we roll up on it. Been in Playa about a week and a half. Then a couple different neighborhoods. Just checking out the vibe for the neighborhood. Place that I'm in today, I'll do a recording and show you what it looks like. Actually, it's one of the better Airbnbs I've ever been in. Very well designed, stocked. Looks good. Looks good. So I'll share that with you. That leads me to why I'm always encouraging you guys to get out and explore and see some other things in the world. See how other people are living. It's not all bad. There's a lot of good to it. So just thinking through that. Get your passport. Get your papers so that you can get out and you can travel, man. Don't just sit there and on the TV all day. Or on occasion hanging out with your boys. Hang out in some places that looks a little different than you. See some places that look a little bit different. And this is definitely by all means one of those places. You're on the East Coast in the U.S. or Canada. Very easy to get to. Very easy to get to. Fly into Cancun. And then you can take a taxi. But I done learned that sometimes the taxi get those gringo prices. So I figured out travel hack. And I take the ADO bus, luxury bus down for about $13. And I'm in Playa in less than 50 minutes. Taxi gonna try to hit you for about $60, $75. Anyway, man, y'all have a good day. I'm just checking in, saying good morning to you. Hopefully you have a wonderful day, and we'll holler. How you living?